If you're using a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro and want to check your battery health, this video is for you. The process is straightforward. Let's dive in. First, open System Settings. You can find it in your dock or by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner and selecting System Settings from the drop-down menu. Once in System Settings, scroll down and select the battery option from the sidebar. On the right side, you'll see various battery-related settings. Look for the battery health option and click on it. Here you'll see two key details: battery condition, which will show as normal if your battery is in good shape; maximum capacity, which indicates your battery's health percentage. For example, my MacBook Pro M1 shows a battery health of 86%. Now, here's an important tip. MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models with M1 chips have a maximum cycle count of 1000. This means the battery is designed to retain good performance for about 1000 full charge cycles. To check your current cycle count, go to System Settings again, then click on General and select About. Scroll down and click System Report. In the System Report window, find and select the Power option in the sidebar. Here you'll see your cycle count listed. For example, my MacBook Pro has a cycle count of 218 out of the maximum 1000. So, using these steps, you can easily check both your battery health percentage and your cycle count to monitor your MacBook's performance. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one, and thank you for watching.